Today we're doing a day in the life, but not really. I just don't feel like going to another open house, even though I enjoy what I do every day. And today I looked at my dog and I realized she's getting old and I'm getting old, and leaving her at home, I feel guilty. So I brought her along for the ride, and we're at Starbucks in Cypress Park. This is Northeast LA. And we're just gonna drive around, look for the open house, and you gotta come with me to do my errands. Going to the post office, dropping off some records.
Okay, start with today.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How about yourself?
I'm good, thank you. Can I start with a pup cup? See how it's layered? Just feeling a little nostalgic with driving to Glassell Park. Showing you where my family hung out on Sundays at my uncle's house. And my uncle always used to talk about footsies. That's here in Cypress Park. And then we're gonna go drive by what used to be Cafe NELA. And I still am looking for the Australian restaurant. They used to live right here in 3021 and 3023. And that was a long time ago, but the house looks good. The driveway is still the same. Gotta respect the bikers.
Destination is on your right, Footsie's Bar.
So Footsie's Bar, thank you for taking care of my uncle for so many years. 222 Sagamore Way. It's a home for sale in Glassell Park. I usually go inside and do a tour, and then I post it to Reels and TikTok, and I do a living in Northeast LA video tour, property tours. So if you're thinking about real estate in Northeast LA, you can contact me. This is what I do all day long, and but not today. So this is what I usually do when I do property tours. We start with a drive around the neighborhood, and then I screenshot the property information from the Compass platform, and I will leave this link in the description of today's video. And just let you know, today was a special day. I brought my dog with me, but I am committed to doing a real estate video. So we are on the route to the open house. We're just not gonna exit the car because I do have my dog with me, and I don't know how the listing agent will feel about a huge dog going into the property. So I hope you enjoyed this video. This is living in Northeast LA, and if you're interested in learning more about these areas or moving to this area, you could always message me for help. I'm a Compass real estate agent servicing Northeast LA and adjacent San Gabriel Valley areas. So let's take a drive to Whittier Boulevard now. Yes, thank you. Thank you. They recently did some renovations, but when you Google it, it shows the pictures prior to the completion. Oh, there it is.
222 Sagamore Way. Arrived.
Oh, this is a cul-de-sac. I don't know. I don't know if I want to go inside and leave the dog by herself. So here's the street. I actually think this is a very nice street because cul-de-sacs, everybody can see, everyone can see when you're leaving, when you're getting home, what you're doing, when you're bringing home your groceries, when you're getting deliveries. So there's a house, 3222 Sagamore Way. We're not gonna go inside. I have my dog with me, so I just wanted to show you the neighborhood. It's a beautiful area. I love going up these hills. We got sidetracked and we're in Glendale. That's not a squirrel in the back seat. I don't think I'm gonna be able to vacuum. We've been driving for 3 hours. We're almost done with running errands. It took me about 3 hours, so I have to edit 3 hours of video. Sundays usually our busiest day of the week. All right, let's go. And I still haven't mailed my records, my packages. Oh, jeez. Everyone's looking at my dog. We were just over here. If my GPS would have worked, we wouldn't be circling back again. It's okay. Oh, there it is. We were just, oh my gosh, I can't believe it. We were just over here. We actually turned on this street too. I saw a TikTok. It was buying property. All this time, I thought the restaurant was called Brecky's, but it's called Little Ripper. So this is Permanent Records. I think they're online only. This used to be Cafe NELA. See, this is how I like it. See how it's in layers? To check out this one. This is the last one. And the doors, it's